Hey guys, welcome to Thumper Fab. I've got a Can-Am Defender HD10 here. It's decked out in a couple of our products, but wanted to show you our level 2 Thumper Fab aluminum audio roof. And this is decked out with all Rockford Fosgate audio components, as well as some RGB rock lights on the inside. So of course those work as awesome dome lights, but you can change the color combination on them. So for my hunters out there that want a green interior light, done. You want to match the look and ride of your buggy, no problem. Change the color, give you a little bit of scene lighting. But yeah, we've got an integrated roof rack built into the top here that houses a dual row 6-inch LED light there in the rear. Be able to give you a little bit of light behind you, see the trail backing up, but as well as it's got these quad row cube lights on the side that are angled out to give you really good coverage, along with the quad row 40-inch light bar up front. So especially up front and on the sides of you going down the trails, you're going to be able to really have great visibility out night riding or working late. These make great scene lights as well. So yeah, a great way to get an aluminum roof strong enough to stand on, strong enough to haul some extra load up there on the top for you, and yeah, be able to last a lifetime. It's going to withstand any environment, just being aluminum alone. And then we've powder coated it with our HD powder coat, and it just ties in really well and fits nicely on the Defender. So a great way to get lights, audio, a roof rack, and of course a roof over your head for a simple installation, and 2 wires all down to the battery, and that's it. So makes for a really clean install. Man, it just looks drop dead sexy on this Defender. So check us out, guys, online at thumperfab.com. We order and stock them and ship fast. And check out some more ideas for your Defender on our Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube channels. All right, guys, thanks.